Hi. I'm sick. Leave me alone.
You. No. No. Ah! No. No. I'm gonna beat your ass with a pipe.
Oh, beat your ass with a pipe.
This is after Patience attacks my head. Like it?
Whoa. Feel it. Feel it. I'm soft, right?
I have soft hair.
That's some good shit. I'm eating.
I'm gonna kill you. If I do, don't yell at me.
You, come here!
Oh, you're being mean.
I'm not being mean. I just played with you. I have. What?
Take two.
Hong Kong.
Ow!
Nothing. You can YouTube it. Shit.
This is embarrassing.
Okay, bye.
No, no, bye. That was our first video. Ever.
I'm funny when I'm not on video.
Yeah, me too. Okay. How exciting. Oh,
We should just leave this on all the time.
I know. Your Patience, and I'm Kelsey. Just
Okay,
saying.
bye.
4 E's. 4. You can't see my hand. 4.
Did you see that in the background? Oh, look at that. There's 2. See that? That was what I was trying to do that one night, the shit night. It was like, oh, because there's 2 of them. See that? It was cool.
What's another word for poop?
Shit.
Goodbye. Come here. Okay. Goodbye.